Our topic for today is about similar fractions. Our objectives is to find out what are similar fractions and how to add similar fractions. So what are similar fractions? Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. So here are examples of similar fractions. So these are all similar fractions because they have the same denominator. Similar sila kasi may pare-pareho silang denominators. How to add similar fractions? So there are rules in adding similar fractions. So here are the rules. First, add the numerator, then copy the denominator and express the sum in simplest form. So we have to perform an exercises about similar fractions and here it is. So find the sum expressed in lowest form. So sa number 1, ayan, similar fraction siya because they have the same denominator. So anong rule? Just add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And then copy the denominator, which is 5. So the answer is 3/5. Nasa lowest term na to. Okay? So hindi na kailangang i-simplify. So in number 2, similar fractions. Just add the numerator. 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then copy denominator. Lowest term na rin ito. And sa number 3, add 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then copy the denominator of 4. So the answer is 4/4 or 1. So this is the simplest form of 4/4. So pag nakita nyo ang numerator at ang denominator ay pareho ang number, ang answer nun ay laging 1. Okay? So in number 4, add ulit. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Copy the denominator, which is 9. And the answer is 7/9. So, nasa simplest form na rin siya. Then, in number 5, just add 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Copy the number 9. And the answer is 7/9. So, simplest form na rin to. Then, number 6. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4 equals 12. And then, copy the denominator of 20. So, the answer is 12/20. Now, this 12/20 is not yet in simplest form. So, isi-simplify po natin siya. Paano? So, mag-iisip ka ng number na pwedeng i-divide sa 12 at pwede ring i-divide sa 20. Or, kukunin mo ang kanyang greatest common factor. So, ang greatest common factor ng 12 tsaka 20 ay 4. Pareho sila na-divide sa 4. So, 12 divided by 4 equals 3 and 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So, the answer is 3/5. 5. Ito na yung pinaka-lowest form niya. Okay? Number 7. Add the numerator. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Then copy number 15, the denominator. So, the answer is 11 over 15. Naka-lowest term na rin po ito. So number 8, add the numerator. 7 plus 3. 10 plus 4 equals 14. And copy number 8. So the answer is 14 over 8. So hindi pa siya naka-lowest form. So isi-simplify natin siya by getting the greatest common factor. And the greatest common factor of 14 and 8 is 2. Kasi madidivide silang pareho sa 2. So 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the answer is 7 over 4. Ito ay hindi pa nakasimplified kasi improper fraction to. So ang improper fraction ay yung numerator niya ay mas malaki kaysa denominator. So we have to convert it into mixed number. So para ma-convert mo ang 7 over 4, i-divide mo siya. 7 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So, ito yung magiging whole number mo, yung quotient. And then, yung remainder, yun ang numerator. And then, ito ang magiging denominator mo. So, ito na siya. Ayan. 1 and 3/4. Ito na, nakasimplify na siya. Okay? So, this is the final answer. That is our topic for today. Ayan. Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominator.